Okay guys, with the inverter mounted, I really want to connect the high voltage cables. There's no danger in that. There's no battery right now. We're just going to use the OEM stock factory orange high voltage motor cables, if you will, to connect them to the inverter. This one here, I believe, is the MK1. So let's remove the one that's cut. Unfortunately, it has been cut. If you're lucky, you can buy these intact, and I recommend to do that. Pay a little bit extra, get the ones that are intact. I think it's 3 bolts there. Okay, is this tricky wicky? Okay, so I am pretty sure this has to come out, and I bet you there's more screwies in there. Oh, I already see the little flimsy bracket that's just begging. It is just begging to snap. Glasses off. How can I get you out without breaking you? Is that even humanly possible? Oh, no way. Come on here, gentle. Ah, broke the other side. Gosh darn it, I was super careful. It was so brittle. Darn it. Bet you these are like 10 mils. So you guys can see what I'm dealing with. Those will have to come out. Put the new cable in. Okay. So she's out. I wish the guy who sold me the second cable gave me that white piece, plastic piece, but didn't. Oh well. I am gonna put some dyslexic grease on this O-ring because I'm not a total barbarian. I know it's meant for electric components, but maybe give a little tickle to those. Okay, is this how it's gonna go? Is this what you wanna do? Am I doing this backwards, upside down? What am I doing? I like to always start them by hand, but it's so hard to reach in there. So I'm just being very careful. I'm just using this extension as a screwdriver, if you will. Okay, I'm sure there's some sort of a torque spec, which we're going to ignore and just do it as hard as we can, plus a quarter turn. Now remember, this is aluminum, so no need to go crazy. Okay. I sure hope my friend Arthur isn't watching, because he would not approve me breaking this clip. We would have to start all over. with a whole new donor of a car and engine and everything, motor. Oh, that's sort of clipped in. I won't tell if you don't tell. Now, these are massive screws. I think these are 12 mils, and they're really, I think they're overkill for this, but what do I know? There we go. Now, I think MG1 is this guy. I think if you don't know anything about anything, I thought I saw something in here being labeled like, like the 3 phases being labeled. I wonder if that's on the very inside though. I don't see the labels. I think this is MG1. And would they even, I know I'm plugging into the wrong place, but okay, there's a doodah that prevents you from plugging that in there. So I hope you can see this nipple, this bump here. This will prevent you from plugging in MG1 into MG2 spot. So see how when we go to the right one, as I say this and I can't plug it in, great. What is going on here? There it is. See, there's no nipple there, but there is one here. So I just want to show you guys. So cool, look at that. Doesn't that look rad? That looks rad. Okay, let's see if we can do MG2. All right, I hope you guys can see this. We're gonna go after MG2 now. This is back here. And I don't think I can get my impact in there. Okay, what? Is this a different size? That's weird. So it's a 12, but MG2 is a 10 mil? Whatevs. That's interesting. Yeah, I'm more used to like these little guys for holding the casing covered thingies of these motor cables than the big ass ones, but oh well. Okay, here we go. Not sure how much you guys can see, but we're working with another dreaded white thing. Try to bring you in here as much as I can. Again, it's those clips, and I just despise plastic, guys. I despise it. Okay, come on. How am I supposed to get you out? Okay. I'm not even touching that. I'm not even touching it on this side. Okay, those are on this side here. Should I have done this with the motor off the vehicle? Yes, 100%. But I haven't done it. So now I have to deal with all my brake lines in the way. I sure hope they survive all this meleeing. And then I can put them back. Oh yeah. Why are you stuck in there? Okay. So second verse, same as the first. We're gonna put a little bit of the dyslexic grease on here. On this stuff. Some of it even may end up on the O-ring, you know what I'm saying? And which way does it go? It goes like that. You can see what I'm doing. A little bit, okay. Gentle. Are these brake cables in the way? Hang it. Battery, not brake cables. Okay. There's the lawnmowers. Okay. Tighten it to spec as hard as you can, plus a quarter turn. Remember, this is going into aluminum, so it doesn't have to be insane hard. Okay. A little grease on the dude that likes to brake. Just a tickle. Just a little bit. Please don't break, little dude. I don't know if this is keyed. I don't think it matters. We'll find out. Okay, I think that one went. And then that shield. One on top, one on bottom. Okay, super happy with that. Okay. Snug these up just a little bit. No need to use your 4-foot cheater bar on that. Sorry I can't get you guys any closer. I'm doing the best I can by my lonesome. I'm not sure I'm gonna be a big fan of that guy. Not sure where you wanna... I forgot where you bolted up to, dude. I'm sorry. Did you go on the side somewhere? Yeah, we're gonna have to... Oh, this is cool. This will clip you to the other one. Huh. I just need to get rid of the metal bracket, and then I can kind of clip you together. Can I figure this out? Okay. Now, how is this gonna go so that it looks like all legit? Can I do something clever? Like, could I do something cleveristic? Look at this nonsense. Wait, will this move? Maybe it's supposed to go there. Look at that. Look at that. What was this? That looks legit, fellas. That looks legit. If you all didn't know me, you would almost think I know what I'm doing. Get out of here. Look at that. Look, would you look at it? That is sick. I like it. I like it a lot.